So this looks like a good spot.
Yeah, the same thing is true on bigger water.
Yeah.
These fish aren't going to sit in that super fast turbulent water.
No.
But on these soft edges, you know, maybe. So same thing here. The best water's
Gonna be right by that rock, in front of that rock.
just, yep, and just to the right of it. Because you can drift through this slow little bucket here. But don't let those flies go over the rocks because they'll get stuck.
I'll give this a shot.
I'm happy to record. Got that stick. Oh, nice. Yeah, he was way down at the bottom.
There we go.
First fish of the day.
Little New Mexico guy. What do we got?
Brown trout.
Brown trout. Awesome.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Bye.
Go home. There he goes. Awesome. All right, we're on the leaderboard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was way down there.
Yeah, first little guy of the day here in New Mexico. Down in that pool.
Wild brown trout.
A lot of swift moving water, tremendous amount of overgrowth, really difficult technical fly fishing up here this time of the year. But we're 1 for 4 on the brown trout, so pretty good. Well, we left the Santa Fe National Forest and the Pecos River area, and now we're fishing some really high alpine lakes, and supposed to be some really good trout fishing up here. So let's see what we have.
Fish on.
Fish on.
Yeah, he's staying down like a better fish. Nice, Alec. Yeah, he's just a little guy that thinks he's a big guy.
Let's see, I'm a little guy.
Got him.
Act like I'm a big guy.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah, I love the coloration on him.
Chunky guy.
Yeah, he is chunky. Yeah, we'll get a picture of him with the GoPro on the here. And
He's not super long, but he's chunky.
they don't drop you.
What a catch.
A beauty.
Nice.
All right, go home.
He wants to go.
Oh, he won. Yeah, you gotta. He left.
He gone.
He's gone. I usually pack my fishing gloves, so. Got him on the reel.
Oh yeah, we're hooked up. That's a nice fish.
That's a nice fish.
Watch your knot.
Oh,
Strip a little line out. Yeah, all in the bottom fly. Come on, buddy. Look at that. Nice fish.
Beautiful. Oh yeah, they're getting gorgeouser and gorgeouser.
They are pretty.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy.
And we'll get another one. Hopefully I can hold him better than the last one.
Solid fish. Oh, fly fell right out, I think. Yep, perfect.
All right. We know how this is going to end. Me dropping you, but indulge me a moment.
Yeah, we just want your picture, buddy. Nice, beautiful rainbow.
Okay, you can go home now.
Later, dude.
Later. Awesome.
Nice job, man.
Yeah. So we pulled 4 out of this lake. I'm liking this.